Thanks to the internet, ladies, there are now countless ways to make money online. But, what are some easy ideas? We here at Single Moms Make Money explore 25 ways to make additional cash from your home or car. With the gift of the internet, it seems everyone is eager to have a side hustle. But, not everyone has the time or resources to get a consistent job outside of their house. And, with so many jobs that can be done virtually, getting a side job on the internet has never been easier. So, what are some ways you can make money online, ladies? Blogging can be a fulfilling hobby, a great way to express your passion for a particular subject. But make no mistake, it can also be a great way to make money, either as a side hustle or as a full-time career. So whether you want to make an extra $1,000 per month from your blog or are looking to quit your day job to blog full-time, this video will help. Following are 25 ways you can start making money from your blog today. 1. Create a business directory. What types of products or services does your audience frequently ask for recommendations on? Compile a list, and then approach relevant businesses to sign up for your business directory. A tool like Business Directory plugin makes it easy to get started. 2. Promote an affiliate product. Affiliate sales comprise a large chunk of revenue for most big-name bloggers. For instance, Pat Flynn made $53,000 last month from affiliate sales, compared to just $9,500 from book sales. In general, look for affiliate products with higher price points. Web hosting companies are a great choice if it makes sense in your niche, with payouts of anywhere from $60 to $130 plus per sign-up. 3. Sell ad space. This is the strategy that most bloggers start with when looking to monetize their blog. However, keep in mind you're not limited to selling banner ad spots, which is generally an ineffective strategy these days. Consider other areas you could rent out: space on your pop-up box, social media headers, the PS on your email newsletters. Think outside the box, quite literally. 4. Offer services. While selling your services may not make you rich, look to passive income to do that. It's a great way to make some extra cash and to build up your reputation. Sell services directly related to the topic of your blog, for example, catering for a food blog, or freelance blogging services like writing or graphic design. 5. Offer consulting services. There's a need for consultants in nearly every niche. Charge by the hour for the phone, email, or Skype advice you're probably already giving away for free. 6. Write sponsored posts. As you build up your blog, expect to receive multiple sponsored post requests each day. These native ads can be a highly effective way for businesses to reach your audience in a non-threatening way, and they can be a highly effective way for you to make a lot of money. Just make sure the posts are interesting and relevant to your audience, and that you fully disclose the sponsored nature of the post. 7. Offer coaching services. Similar to consulting, coaching is usually more of a one-on-one service, while consulting is generally provided to organizations or teams. Put together a range of packages you can offer: hourly consults, DIY packages, or unlimited email advice packages. 8. Host webinars. While many businesses use them to generate leads, hosting paid webinars is also an option. Just make sure you're providing exceptional value. With so many free webinars out there, you need to be offering something pretty special if you want to charge for it. 9. Host sponsored contests or giveaways. Approach businesses in your niche and offer to host a giveaway or contest on your blog or social media. This can increase awareness of their business among your followers, and when done right, can also generate a ton of leads for their business. 10. Teach an online course. Want to design and host an online course entirely on your blog? WordPress plugins like LearnDash and Zippy Courses make it easy to get started. If you'd prefer to host your course through an established online education site, look at Udemy or Skillshare. 11. Create a private community. Build a virtual community on your blog using a free plugin like bbPress, or host it on Facebook using Facebook groups. With so many free groups out there, just be sure you're offering amazing value to make the monthly fee worthwhile. 12. Write an ebook. Have in-depth knowledge in your niche. Package it up into an ebook and sell it on your blog. I generally advise against selling it, at least exclusively, on Amazon or Kobo, as you'll probably be able to charge much less. If you've already built up a solid audience, You can probably change anywhere from $5 for a very short one, all the way up to $39. 13. Sponsored social content. Give businesses some airtime on your Facebook page, or post sponsored tweets or Instagram pics. These are ridiculously quick and easy to post, and you can charge anywhere from $25 to $500 plus per post depending on the size of your audience. 14. Premium gated content. Premium content can mean any type of content you charge for, an ebook, white paper, downloadable guide, etc. But what I'm referring to here is pay-gated content. You just put some awesome content up behind a paywall, which means visitors pay to access it. You can get your paywall set up in 10 minutes or less using a plugin like MemberPress or Paid Memberships Pro. 15. Site sponsorship. Some advertisers aren't content to just have a banner ad or sponsored post, they want the full meal deal. A site sponsorship is where an advertiser has full reign of your site, at least in terms of adverting exclusivity. This could mean they get banner ads, mentions in your pop-up, their logo in your blog banner, etc. 16. Sell merchandise. Adding a shop page to your blog is easy and free with a plugin like WooCommerce. Whether you sell handmade goods, your digital products, eJunkie is a great low-cost option for this, or other relevant products. This can be a great way to make some extra cash from your blog. 17. Sell templates. A good template can save your audience time and money. Templates can work in almost any niche: business, new client contract template, fitness, 30-day workout template, health, 3-month clean eating template, etc. 18. Job board. Creating a job board on your site is a great way to make your blog sticky, meaning you get visitors returning again and again. It's also a great way to earn some extra cash while also providing a valuable service. Darren Rouse from ProBlogger runs a hugely popular job board where he charges $70 for a 30-day listing. With around 70 listings per month, he's bringing in some solid earnings with relatively little investment of time or money. 19. Private bootcamp. Host a bootcamp for your audience to help them accomplish a specific goal. This works well in the fitness niche: 30-day Get in Shape Bootcamp, business, launch your website bootcamp, home and lifestyle, make over your living room for just $200, and many other niches. 20. Write tutorials. In-depth tutorials are great for getting links and social shares. However, they can also be a great way to earn money on your blog. There are several ways you can make this happen. Include affiliate links for the products you use in your tutorial, promote your products in the tutorial, write a tutorial to promote an advertiser's product, just be clear that it's a sponsored post, etc. 21. Take your expertise offline. Your blog can directly earn you money online, but that's not your only option. Leverage the knowledge and expertise you've built up through your blog to offer your services as a local speaker or presenter. 22. In content affiliate links. Have a particularly popular blog post that you'd like to monetize? Add affiliate links within your post content. Not sure where to start with finding affiliate programs? You can always start with the most popular affiliate program, Amazon, or find relevant products via an affiliate network like ShareASale or ClickBank. 23. Product reviews. Reach out to relevant businesses and offer to review their products or services for a fee. Be sure to clarify that a positive review isn't guaranteed, and that you'll give back their money if you can't give one. 24. Dropship products. Interested in selling products on your blog, but don't want to deal with shipping and inventory? Dropshipping is a great way to sell products with very little risk. The potential here is huge. Just look what furniture retailer Wayfair has done using this model. 25. Create a resource page. Resource lists tell your audience what tools, products, or services you use and/or recommend. They're a great way to provide a valuable service to your audience, while also earning you money through affiliate links or paid placements. Just be sure to disclose which links you benefit from, and which you don't. The bottom line, there are countless ways to earn money online, ladies, including dozens more than these 25. Do your research, moms, and use your particular talents, areas of expertise and resources to earn money online. We here at Single Moms Make Money hope this video is valuable for you, and we hope you come back. Remember, ladies, mommies rock.